Welcome to our channel where today we dive into the essential steps for logging into your Squarespace Commerce account with ease. Welcome to our channel where today we dive into the essential steps for logging into your Squarespace Commerce account with ease. The first thing you'll want to do is open your favorite web browser and navigate to www.squarespace.com. Once there, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the home page and click on it. This directs you to the login page where you will enter your credentials. Start by typing your registered email address into the designated field. Be sure to double-check it for accuracy to avoid any login issues. Next, enter your password carefully, keeping in mind that it is case-sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, no worries, simply click on the Forgot Password link right below the password box and follow the prompts to reset it. After entering your email and password, you can choose to check the Remember Me box if you want your browser to save your login information for quicker access in the future. Once everything is filled in, click the Login button to access your Squarespace Commerce dashboard. If this is your first time logging in, you might be greeted with a welcome message or tutorial prompts guiding you through some basic features of the platform. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard where you can manage your store, view orders, and update product listings. In case you run into any issues logging in, such as incorrect credentials or account lockouts, it's helpful to clear your browser cache or try using a different browser. Additionally, you can always reach out to Squarespace support for assistance. Remember, keeping your login details secure and regularly updating your password ensures your store stays safe. Mastering the login process is the first step towards smoothly managing your online store and growing your business with confidence. Don't forget to proceed step by step and refer back to these instructions anytime you need a refresher.